everyone. Welcome back to Spoken English Duet. I'm Ivy.
And I'm Harry. Hello. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today, we are going to talk about the most popular question in the world.
Is it what is for dinner?
No, Harry, although that is a good question. The question is, how was your weekend?
Ah, yes, the Monday morning question. You go to work or school and everyone asks, how was your weekend? What did you do?
Exactly. And for English learners, this can be difficult because you have to speak in the past tense.
Yes, you cannot say, I go to the park. You have to say, I went to the park.
Or, I saw a movie, not I see a movie.
So today we are going to tell you about our weekends. We will use a lot of past tense verbs.
Listen carefully to the verbs we use. But first, please click the like button if you are ready to practice.
And subscribe to the channel so you never miss a conversation.
So, Harry, I will ask you first. How was your weekend?
Honestly, Ivy, it was a little bit of a disaster.
A disaster? Oh no, why? What happened?
Well, on Saturday morning, I decided to be productive. I wanted to fix the shelf in my kitchen. You know, the one that is a little bit broken.
I know it well. You have talked about that shelf for months.
Yes, so I woke up early, I drank my coffee, I got my tools. I felt very confident.
That sounds like a good start.
It was. I took the shelf off the wall, I drilled a new hole, but then
Then what?
I hit a water pipe.
No, you didn't.
I did. Water sprayed everywhere. Psst. It was like a fountain in my kitchen.
Oh my goodness, Harry, what did you do?
I panicked. I ran to the basement to turn off the water. I was soaking wet.
Oh, poor Harry. So did you fix the shelf?
No, I called a plumber. He came and fixed the pipe. It cost me a lot of money.
So Saturday was stressful.
Very stressful. I spent the rest of the day cleaning up water.
Well, what about Sunday? Was Sunday better?
Yes, Sunday was much better. I decided to do nothing.
Nothing?
I stayed in my pajamas until noon, I ordered a pizza, and I watched football on TV all afternoon.
That sounds perfect after a bad Saturday. You needed to relax.
I really did. I just lay on the sofa. I didn't touch any tools. So that was my weekend, a disaster and then relaxation.
Well, at least you are safe now.
Yes. What about you, Ivy? Please tell me you had a better weekend than me.
I did have a better weekend. My weekend was lovely.
What did you do?
On Saturday, the weather was beautiful, so I went to the farmer's market downtown.
Ooh, I love the farmer's market. Did you buy anything?
I bought so many things. I bought fresh tomatoes, bread, and some beautiful flowers.
That sounds very nice. Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister. We walked around for 2 hours. We drank fresh lemonade. It was very sunny.
And what did you do in the evening?
Well, because I bought all those vegetables, I invited some friends over for dinner.
You cooked?
I cooked a big pasta dish with the fresh tomatoes. We ate dinner outside in the garden.
That sounds like a movie. Ivy's perfect weekend.
It was very nice. We talked and laughed until late at night.
So you were busy on Saturday.
Yes, very busy, but happy. So on Sunday, I was tired.
Ah, so you rested on Sunday too.
A little bit. I read a book in the morning, but in the afternoon, I went to the cinema.
Oh, what did you see?
I saw that new action movie, the one with the fast cars.
Was it good?
It was okay. The story was a little silly, but the action was fun. I ate a giant bucket of popcorn.
Popcorn is the best part of the cinema.
I agree. So I came home, I prepared my clothes for work, and I went to sleep early.
Wow, you had a very balanced weekend. Social time, cooking, and a movie.
It was good. I feel recharged.
Listeners, did you hear the verbs we used? Let's review a few of them quickly.
Yes, this is important. I said, I went, not I go. I bought, not I buy. And I saw, not I see.
And I said, I woke up, not I wake up. I hit a pipe. Hit is the same in past and present. And I panicked. Regular verb, just add ed.
A lot of English verbs are irregular. They change completely. Eat, ate. Drink, drank. Sleep, slept.
It is tricky, but if you tell stories about your life, you will learn them fast.
Harry, do you ever get the Sunday scaries?
The Sunday scaries? What is that?
It's that feeling on Sunday night when you feel sad because the weekend is over and work starts tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I get that. I think, oh no, Monday is coming.
I think everyone gets that. What do you do to stop it?
I try to do something nice on Sunday evening, like a warm bath, or I listen to music.
That's smart. Don't work on Sunday night. Just relax.
Exactly. So, Ivy, do you have plans for next weekend?
Harry, it's only Monday.
I know, but I need something to look forward to. I'm not fixing any shelves next weekend, I promise.
Good. Please put the tools away. Next weekend, I think I will just clean my house. A boring weekend.
Sometimes a boring weekend is the best weekend.
That is true.
Okay, everyone, we told you our stories. Now it's your turn.
Yes, we want to practice past tense with you.
In the comments below, answer the question, what did you do this weekend?
Tell us one thing. I played football. I visited my grandmother. I slept all day.
Watch your verbs. Don't say I sleep, say I slept.
We will read your comments and check your grammar.
It's a free English lesson in the comments.
Thank you so much for listening to our stories. We hope you had a laugh at Harry's water disaster.
Hey, it wasn't funny for me, but I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Have a wonderful week, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.